Wrenoin Review 2025 Legit Home Decor Store or Online Scam. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming unfamiliar online decor stores are scams. The surprising truth is that Wrenoin is a legitimate home decor store, but bar caution ensures a smooth experience. Our offers furniture, lighting, wall art, and decorative accessories. You won't believe the variety, with modern and traditional options. Customers report receiving items as described, with packaging that protects delicate pieces during shipping. Some buyers noted longer delivery times for international orders and limited stock on popular items. Payment methods are secure, including credit cards and PayPal, and so encryption is standard. The surprising truth is that checking size, material, and shipping estimates before ordering prevents disappointment. In conclusion, Wrenoin is a legit online home decor store. Most people get this wrong by assuming all new online stores are risky. With careful planning, reviewing product details, and secure payment, Wrenoin can be a reliable source for stylish home decor.